Hey friends! Today we're making something really fun, a Sailor Moon fan. It's bright, a little magical, and you can actually use it. This kind of craft is great when you want to make something by hand. You don't need much, just paper, glue, scissors, and string. It's cool how simple things can turn into something special. You can choose any colors you like. I used yellow, but pink or shiny paper would look awesome too. Add hearts, stars, maybe a little sparkle, make it yours. This fan is perfect for summer. When it's hot, you can wave it and feel the breeze. Or give it to someone as a small gift. It's also fun for cosplay, if you like dressing up as characters from shows. I really love making paper crafts. You can fold, cut, glue, decorate, and boom, you have something new. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. It's all part of creating. And you know what's fun? Every craft tells a little story. You made it, so it's one of a kind. There's no right or wrong, just your own style. It's so nice to take a break. Sit down and make something with your hands. You don't need to be perfect. Just enjoy the time. You can hang it in your room, use it outside, or show it to your friends. So if you're looking for something cool to do, try this fan. It's pretty, it folds, and it has a little magic in it.
Meow meow craft today, DIY in every way. Red light, green light, don't delay. Paw by paw, let's start to play. Purr purr, hit that like, meow meow, press subscribe. Drop a comment, let me see. What's your favorite craft to be?
Thanks for being here. Hope you had fun and see you next time with more cute ideas.